Come on, Ming. Andy, did you hear what I said? Get Andy's the cat's container. It's right there outside the food thing. Come on. Come on. Here. Minkau. 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 Why is so dark there? Come on. Here, Ming. Where's the water? Give me spoon. Give me spoon. Give me spoon. Ganyan yan siya. Basta nagbubukas na ako ng pagkain.
Is her tail broken?
Lagi, tagaan na lagi. Tika. Put there gang.
Excited.
I know. Ito ng kilikili ko, guys. Yes. That's what she does. Look. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. Okay, okay. Okay.
It does kind of smell good.
You want some? Okay, okay, hang on. Open the door, there's nothing. Hang on, not done.
Oh yeah, I told them you moved. Yeah. Mommy has a job now.
Who's that?
Say hi. Well, wait.
Hello. Hello.
Say it again.
Hello, how are you? Here, and Minkau, come here, your food's ready. Can you give me water first, please?
Oh, how was your job?
Give me water. I just, what is that? I started, like, touring and then paperwork stuff.
Oh, anything? Yeah, anything ever. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
So you basically did nothing. Yeah.
Ding! I did work 2 hours something.
Yeah. I was doing both.
2 hours and a half, so that's like...
Was it good?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It's about, you know. Here! Minkau! Ming! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Ming! Minkau! Ming! 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 Tagal-tagal niya. Sa labas na nga lang, guys. Sa labas ko siya. Sa labas ko siya. Yun. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Aga!
Aga! Aga!
Aga! Aga! Aga! Sus! Excited na yan. Here! 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 Look. You happy? Are you happy now? Huh? Are you happy? So, yung mga plants ko, guys. Alright, Ming. Enjoy your food, okay? Enjoy your food. Paggising ko, ganyan na yan siya. Paggising ko, nakaabang na yan siya dyan. Diba? I don't like, cat, but cat ng namin yan, kapitbahay. It's our kapitbahay's cat, and then nandiyan na siya, she always come to our house every day, and then every morning she's knocking the door and waiting us to feed her. So, but I enjoyed it. I like it because she's always like standing in front of the door when she knows we're up. Right, Andy? Right? Now I'm going to make taco for dinner. chicken taco for dinner, everyone. So this is my life. Why I look like ano, hubog? I look like drunk.
Why do you look drunk?
I don't know. No, I'm not. I'm just tired, but I look like drunk. Alright. I'm gonna cut the chicken. Andy, can you get my stand? Alright guys, I'll buy for now. Because I'm gonna make, look at my moringa from my garden. Smells good. Maybe I'll half of that chicken and then I'll make tinola. Then they're gonna have taco. And me, I'm gonna have tinola. Right guys, bye. Please subscribe my channel if you want more videos. Not interesting videos for me. I'm just joking. Alright, bye. Have a great day everyone.